Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility. Android Auto for Android phones, Apple CarPlay for iPhone, Google Maps runs through those interfaces. Once done, update Google Maps and your phone's OS, then update the car head unit firmware to avoid handshake errors. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on, or use a high-quality USB cable for wired mode. A charging cable prevents connection drops. You'll be ready to pair and grant permissions in the next steps. You now connect. Plug the phone into the car's USB or activate wireless Android Auto/Car Play from the head unit menu. When prompted on your phone, allow location, microphone, notifications, and background data so navigation, voice directions, and route updates work reliably. Once paired, choose Google Maps on the car display as the active navigation app and confirm audio routes to the car speakers. If voice commands are used, test one simple route. This verifies permissions and mic routing before you drive. You finish by launching a route in Google Maps and confirming turn-by-turn directions appear on the car display and play through the speakers. Live traffic should update automatically. Once satisfied, tweak map orientation, voice volume, and routing preferences like avoiding tolls. If something fails, restart the phone and head unit, reauthorize app permissions, try a different USB port or certified cable, and repair wireless connections. This resolves most handshake and audio.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.